Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm going to talk about is, if you are a growing YouTuber, just don't check the analytics in your channel. Just don't see the views and the subscribers. See, you have lots of opportunities. Let's say in a year there's 52 weeks. So it means that there is 52 opportunities that you can use in YouTube. Just try as many as videos possible. Don't overthink and don't stress yourself. And don't worry that your views, your video is not reaching to people and you're not getting any views. Your video is not improving. Your channel is not improving. See, in the beginning you cannot find out what audience expecting from you. Who's your audience? Who's your target? You will not find unless and until you try as much as possible. YouTubers who was a celebrity now, those famous YouTubers who are now, in the beginning they would have also not know what content they should try, how to be a successful YouTuber. In the beginning they would have also not known about it. They tried, they failed, they tried, they kept on trying, and that one day took them to the next level. So you don't know which is your day. So keep trying. To be frank, while I'm taking this video, I have a single digit subscribers in my channel, and I have watched a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of YouTubers. I have read so many experience about them, watched their videos so much. I spent a lot of hours just watching their videos, how they grow, how they improve their channel, and that's, I came to one conclusion that stop watching, but not always. You cannot see, if I started watching videos about them, hours and hours and hours and hours just going on, kept watching their videos, and at the end, I have not even shot a single video about what content I'm going to do. See, I have made so many scripts. I have prepared for past 1.5 day. I have prepared this many scripts. I finished writing about it, but I still didn't shoot because that thinking whether this script will work on my video or not. That's not the point. You have to keep on trying. You can't just expect it overnight. Keep on trying. See, I have prepared a lot of scripts, but I didn't shoot. It's my mistake. I have to shoot this video, and I want to just keep posting. What is happening, what will happen. Don't think, guys. Just start keep posting it. Find your niche. What is your content? What content, if you post, it will work in your channel. You have to try posting all the content. Then what content is going to be your niche? Try all the contents. Try posting all the contents. Someday you will get into success. So stop thinking. Stop overthinking. Just start posting your videos, and you will be a successful YouTuber one day. All the best.